Basic architecture of a computer. In this module, we will try to understand some main components of a computer like the input unit, control unit, arithmetic logic unit, output unit, and storage unit. The input unit takes data from input devices like keyboard, mouse, and converts it into machine language and forwards it into the ALU. ALU, arithmetic logic unit, is where all the calculations related to the computer system are performed. The computed data is then moved to the output unit where result or output is displayed through devices like the monitor, speakers, printers, etc. The data is constantly moving from storage unit to ALU accordingly. Talking about the storage unit, there are two parts of storage: the primary storage or the main memory, and the secondary storage. The secondary storage is not directly accessible by CPU. Any data from secondary storage needs to be brought into the main memory before CPU can use it. Control unit is the central nervous system of the computer. This manages how all the units of the computer should work.